You ready?
I'm ready. Oh,
it looks fucking cool.
Oh my god.
It really looks cool.
Oh my god. It's amazing. I mean, I knew you were amazing. But oh my god. I don't think I've ever looked this good.
This really pushed me. Like, I'm stoked.
Hello, rainbows. Hope you guys are well. So, different video today. As you guys can see, I'm in the car. There's Hazel. She's munging on some orange. Is that good orange, sweetie? Yeah. So today I am getting my makeup professionally done for the first time ever. As you guys know, I am a qualified makeup artist, also a qualified hairdresser, but it is very rare for me. Well, yeah, extremely rare. I'm always doing my makeup, always. And I've never had it done professionally by a professional before. I'm so excited. I am on my way to a kind of local makeup artist who I've been stalking for a really long time. Her work is absolutely incredible. I love her personality. She's just amazing. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna be looking sexy. Yes, and I've got nothing to do today. Oh well. Alright, so the makeup artist I'm seeing is Courtney. She is extremely talented. She owns Center of Attention Makeup Artistry. Her personality is just killer, and I'm just in awe of her work and have actually wanted her to do makeup on myself for a really, really long time. So I'm so excited.
Alright, so I'm going to go a little bit cray-cray. Are you just going to like time-lapse this or?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's the vibe?
I don't know.
I
haven't actually really thought about it.
As long as you film it and then you just like
but you don't want to
cuts down.
don't want to give away your secrets either. So
girl, I give everything away. You don't notice it. Yeah. Fucking useless. That's exactly. I was like, I give. And bitch is like, can you do a brow tutorial? I'm like, do you want my kidney as well? Like, I give so much away online.
sorry.
Honestly, it's bullshit. Are you allergic to anything?
No. No.
Do you want to have a squeeze?
Oh, should I leave it as a surprise?
Oh, okay. Yeah, do it.
I do that. Oh my god.
I do that as a surprise. Okay.
Why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, watch 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 all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. All night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up.
It looks fucking cool.
Oh my god.
It really looks cool.
Oh my god. Okay, but eyes are closed. They're closed. Hold on. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god! It's amazing! Holy shit, my skin looks so good.
Morphe. Bullshit good, hey. It's so...
You're so talented! Oh my god!
The yellow started going funny. I was like,
How do you do that?
oh, I just have bad luck with yellow. Yellows just don't fucking work.
Like, oh my god.
But she clean.
You are so fucking... I mean, I knew you were amazing. But oh my god. I don't think I've ever looked this good.
This really pushed me. Like, I'm stoked.
Well, he's getting himself tonight.
Fuck yes. Why do you think the extra setting spray I put on there?
We're good. We're good. You look amazing. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Oh my god.
So good to have you here.
Yeah. I have my glasses up too far. because my lashes touch them. So this makeup, no joke, has been on for, what's the time? 4. I got my makeup done at 9 and it's 4 p.m. and look, it's still looking fucking amazing. She's a wizard. Seriously, a wizard. Again, thank you so much, Courtney, for allowing me to film and having me, and it was amazing. It was such an awesome experience to actually go to a makeup artist and like be a client for once, and it was awesome and I loved it and I look fucking great. And we were actually saying, like, I was feeling like, not that I'd lost my passion for it, but my makeup started to feel like a chore because I wear makeup every single day at work, and then like to do makeup on my days off I was like, nah, I can't be bothered, and it really did start to feel like a chore. But seeing this and like seeing how amazing it is makes me feel like I want to get back into doing more makeup and doing more stuff like this, and I don't think I could do this. I need to try to do this because it's magical. But yeah, it was actually really, really good. So yes, definitely recommend Courtney. If you guys have the opportunity to go to her, she's amazing. She's a wizard. So thank you, Rainbows, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely different to things I've filmed before, but loved it. Loved every second. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up, all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.